Hi, myself from S. Vaishali. I am from the Department of Information Technology and I am from JJ College of Engineering and Technology.
Hi, I'm Deep Roshni from Information Technology in JJ College of Engineering Technology. Hi, I'm Hanini from Department of ECE, studying in JJ College of Engineering Technology.
Hi, I'm Harini from the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering in JJ College of Engineering and Technology. Hi, I'm Kiribastri. I am pursuing Information Technology in JJ College of Engineering and Technology. I belong to Batch 1. We have learned Kuka robotic programming language in JJ College of Engineering. Thanks for our management, our chairman, Dr. Ramurthy, and Vice Chairman, Dr. Sendur Selvan, and our Principal, Dr. P. Madhyadahan. And thanks for our Kuka Robotics Lab Head, Dean, Dr. B. Ramesh. And we have not only learned Kuka programming language, we able to job and we able to do software programming also. Thanks for JGC.
Now what we have done?
So now we have created a program.
So this is the program.
Now we have created a program, so we are going to run it.
This is
I am Aravindan, doing EC, first year, JJ College of Engineering.
Hello, I am Mr. Sangar, doing EC from JJ College of Engineering Technology.
I am Chandru, first year ECE in studying JJ College of Engineering Technology.
I am Sanjeev Raj, studying Trichy, JJ College of Engineering and Technology.
I am Kabilesh from EC department, first year. I am studying in JJ College of Engineering.
Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity for college management. Our chairman Ramurthy sir and vice chairman Sendur Selvan sir and our principal Madhyadahan sir and our DN Dr. Ramesh sir. Now I am going to explain the program.
the program not again. What you did, show the program. So this is the program what I did.
This is the program what I do.
Now explain the program.
I am Mohit. From Trichy department from JJ College of Engineering Technology.
I am Manoj Kumar from Trichy department, studying in JJ College of Engineering and Technology.
I am Arun from CSE department, studying JJ College of Engineering and Technology.
I am Bhadrangam. I am studying EC department in JJ College of Engineering and Technology.
I am K. Kopi. I am studying BE Engineering in JJ College of Engineering and Technology.
First, I thanking our management to give the wonderful opportunity. Mainly our chairman Dr. Ramurthy sir and vice chairman Sendhu Selvan sir and our principal Madhyalagan sir and our dean of the industry 4.0 Ramesh sir. In our college, we have robotics lab which well trained us. Tamil Nadu little college only having the robotics center, but they not teach like our college. We are well trained to get the job now. We can handle the industry robot now, and we done one program. This is our program. Now we are going to play our program.